How many nights have you found yourself lying awake, thinking about that one big dream, the one that keeps coming back no matter how many times you try to ignore it? It's the dream you keep tucked away, hidden from the world, maybe even from yourself sometimes. Maybe it's starting a business, writing a book, or building something that matters to you. Or maybe it's finally getting in shape, running that marathon, or just feeling healthier and stronger. You see it in your mind, you feel it in your heart, but every morning, you put it back on the shelf, telling yourself it's not the right time. You promise, I'll start tomorrow, but somehow, tomorrow never seems to arrive. Days turn into weeks, and weeks into years. That dream is yours for a reason. It's your gift, your calling, something only you can bring to life. But a gift left unopened is just a box, full of potential, but never realized. You can dream, plan, and hope, but until you act, it's just smoke. An idea floating away with every passing day. Real life changes when you move your feet, when you take that first step, no matter how small. We all have dreams, but we let life's noise drown out that quiet voice, telling us to go for it, to try, to believe. We get comfortable, even if we're not truly happy, settling for routines that keep us stuck. We make excuses. There's never enough time, money, or knowledge. But deep down, we know those are just reasons to stay where we are. Doubt creeps in, and fear whispers that we're not ready. But those are just stories we tell ourselves. So, what's your dream? Say it out loud. Give it a name. Let it breathe. The only thing standing between you and that dream is one small step. Just one action can change everything. Your new life begins the moment you stop just dreaming and start doing. The future you want is waiting. Take that step today. Picture your dream on one side of a canyon, your reality on the other. The only way across is to build a bridge, and that bridge is made of action. Dreaming is easy, but action is what makes dreams real. Your dream is the destination, but you have to start the engine and drive. Action is the gas that gets you moving. Don't wait to have it all figured out. The plan reveals itself as you walk. You don't need to see the whole staircase, just the first step. Each step is a plank in your bridge. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or a sign. This is your sign. The universe is telling you to move. Honor your dream by taking action, even a small one. That's how you build your bridge. Start now. You might think successful people were born with some special gift, destined to win from the start, but the truth is, that's just not how it works. Think again. Every person you look up to, every name you know, started at zero, with nothing but a dream, a little hope, and the guts to take that very first step into the unknown. Colonel Sanders was in his 60s, told no 1,000 times before someone finally said yes to his chicken. He didn't let age or rejection stop him. I was homeless, living in a car for 3 years, holding on to a dream of making people laugh, even when it felt impossible. It wasn't until I started taking action, telling jokes to 5 people at a time, night after night, that things slowly began to change for me. Walt Disney was fired for lacking imagination. He started with nothing but a sketch of a mouse and a wild idea that maybe, just maybe, he could create something magical. The lesson? Your heroes weren't born at the finish line. They had to run the race, just like you. They were brave enough to start as beginners, to step into the unknown and risk looking foolish. They made mistakes, felt fear, doubted themselves, but kept moving forward anyway, learning as they went. You don't need to be perfect or completely ready. No one ever is when they begin. You just need to start. That's the only requirement. Every legend you know was once a nobody with a dream, unsure if they'd ever make it. Remember that, when you doubt yourself, when you wonder if you're good enough. Be brave enough to be a beginner, to try, to stumble, and to keep going. You can do it too. Your story is just getting started. Let's talk about fear, the #1 dream killer. It's that little voice in your head that always seems to show up when you're about to try something new or step outside your comfort zone. That voice in your head listing everything that could go wrong. It's a liar. It exaggerates the risks and downplays your ability to handle them. Fear paralyzes you if you let it, but everyone feels it. Even the most confident people you know have felt afraid before taking action. The secret isn't to get rid of fear, but to act anyway. You don't have to be fearless. You just have to be willing to move forward despite the fear. Courage is moving forward even when you're scared. It's about taking that next step, no matter how small, even when your heart is pounding. Are you feeding your fear with excuses, or your dream with action? Every excuse gives fear more power, but every action weakens it. Think about learning anything new. You felt awkward, maybe embarrassed, but you kept practicing. That's how progress happens. Each small step built your confidence. Every little win proved to you that you could do more than you thought. Action comes first, then confidence. You don't wait to feel ready, you act and the confidence follows. You take a step, survive, and realize it wasn't so bad. Suddenly what seemed impossible feels within reach. Small wins build confidence, and confidence crushes fear. The more you do, the less power fear has over you. It's a cycle. Action creates wins. Wins build confidence. Confidence destroys fear. The more you repeat it, the easier it gets. But it all starts with that first scary step. That's the hardest part, but it's also the most important. Be willing to look foolish at the start to look brilliant in the end. Every expert was once a beginner who dared to try. Don't let fear be the boss of you. Take that first step and watch your confidence grow with every move you make. 3 magical things happen when you take action. You build momentum, you learn, and you destroy fear. Momentum. An object in motion stays in motion. That first step breaks inertia. Learning. You learn more by doing than by planning. Real feedback comes from action, not theory. You can't steer a parked car. Move, and you can adjust. Fear. It grows in your imagination, but shrinks in reality. Action replaces what if with what is. Every step shines a light on your fears and proves them wrong. That first step is a declaration. You're serious about your dream. It's the spark that lights the fire. The push that starts the avalanche. The first domino that topples the rest. All the good things, momentum, learning, confidence, start with one step. Don't underestimate its power. Change your life with that first move. Ready to move? Here's your 4-step jumpstart plan. First, define your why. Why do you want this dream? Make it personal and write it down. Second, take one ridiculously small step. Write one sentence, do one search, walk to the mailbox, just start. Third, let go of perfection. Your first try won't be perfect, and that's okay. Perfection is the enemy of done. Give yourself permission to be a beginner. Fourth, find support. Tell one person you trust about your dream and your first step. Accountability makes it real. That's it. Know your why. Take a tiny step, forget perfect, and share your goal. You can do this today. Don't overthink it. Just start. The point isn't the size of the step, but that you take it. Momentum will follow. Improvement comes with action. Your dream starts now. We've talked about dreams, action, fear, and a plan. Now you have to decide, will you be a dreamer or a doer? Are you going to keep your gift locked up, or finally share it with the world? Let today be the day you stop waiting and start doing. There will never be a better time than right now. Your future self is begging you to start today. Don't let regret be your story. You were born for more than just getting by. Close your eyes, see your dream, then open them and take one small step. Send that email, make that call, write that sentence, take that walk. Your journey begins with this step. Don't think, just do it. Your new life is waiting on the other side. Go get it. The time to start is now.